the Pod Network Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, our special musical guest, kakaalis lang niya pero pinabalik natin just for this, Alanis Morissette.
Oh, wow. Okay.
What it all comes down to is that everything's gonna be fine, fine, fine. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the red one climbing up my neck to strangle me.
Or do something sexual.
But wash your hands
Which is kind of hot. But also, please wash your hands because there's blood all over.
Because I don't want to have blood in my kijaks. So,
Kijaks.
Because it's gross to have a red bloody hand making whoopee to my birdie. It's the worst song.
The worst
ever.
composed song ever.
I cannot. That's so horrible. No. But yeah.
Again. Okay, but if you know, then you already know what we're going to be talking about as a show. If you don't, good for you. Good for you. But we want to welcome you to the podcast. We are only fun. His name is Chico Garcia.
And his name is Gino Killiamore. And yes, mystifyingly, we are a Spotify exclusive.
Not a Spotify exclusive artist, a podcast.
No, podcast.
Clearly, we are not songwriters.
Based on that song? No. We're not
But
really
if we
songwriters.
did, how awesome would that be?
Right? Because I've got one hand in my
But
pocket.
we can be like the Weird Al of the Philippines.
Oo nga. And a red one going to do something to my birdie. It's so ridiculous. Okay, so... But yes, if you want to try your hand at podcasting, you have got to check out Spotify for podcasters. And who knows? You might be making horrible remakes soon enough.
Just like
yourself.
we are. You know what I mean?
Just like we are.
The great thing about Spotify for podcasters is that whether you're a podcast veteran or a podcast newbie, like it'll always be of use. Like it'll help you actually put up your podcast, publish your podcast. But while the podcast is already running, all of the analytics are there as well. Everything that you need to take care of, you know, the business side of your podcast is there. So do check it out. Spotify for podcasters.
Yeah. I mean, like it tells you everything, you know, like who's listening to you. Are there more girls or more boys? Which
the exact minute na kung kailan sila nagtutune out, which is probably when we started singing that song, di ba? Parang start pa lang, wala na agad.
They tell you medyo ease up on the sisig and the chicharon. You know, like, you need to lose a little bit of weight. Yeah. You can tell that's my struggle right now.
One minute pa check up.
Ay, Lord, ang hirap.
Tumas na may cholesterol.
But before we jump into the kinky hand,
that's not what this show is about, by the way. The entire TV show we're talking about. That's one part of the plot
of it.
Yeah.
But before that, we thought to introduce a new little parang, I wouldn't call it a portion, but more like, you know, side segment, because, you know, do you notice, Gino Boy, na parang like usually we do an episode, we talk about a show, tapos mga a couple of months or a couple of weeks later, we'll get like a tweet saying, oh, ano guys, pinagpatuloy nyo ba yung blank? Like,
yes.
Kasi diba, we always talk about maybe one or two episodes and then we move on to the next. And then
medyo nagiging intro voice na nga ako eh. Intro voice. Kasi
intro voice.
Like, I'll watch the first episode, then I'll get sidetracked with another show and then not follow up. But there are certain shows that kind of really stand out and you're like, oh, you know what? I'm going to watch it. And I'm sure that you have those shows as well.
Oh, yeah, for sure. So we thought, kasi diba, pag kunyari, we both finished the series up to the very end. Tapos we really liked it. And we feel like there's much more to talk about now that we finished it, then we'll do a dip dive, diba?
Yeah.
Guys, talagang dip dive yan sa mga new listeners.
Hindi siya
Tapos,
deep dive.
hindi siya deep dive, dip dive. So, but sometimes a TV show, a TV series would call more to Gino Boy. Sometimes it's just more of me and the other one doesn't get to finish it.
Yeah,
so
like, let's just say, for example, I'm pretty sure you didn't finish Ted Lasso.
No, I did not.
You see, I could not stop watching Ted Lasso, so I finished all of that. So,
my gosh,
diba,
the third
right? Season already. In the same vein, maybe something like, and we talked about this, I think last week lang, diba? Mask Girl was not really my cup of tea, but for you, you couldn't stop watching it. So,
exactly.
Meron mga ganyan.
So we thought, pag kunyari, isang host lang yung nakatapos, and they just want to give a quick update lang naman.
Yeah.
Parang, so how was it? Diba? Basically, like, did you like it? Did you not like it? Were you disappointed? Did it meet your expectations? So today, we don't have a name for it though. So if you have suggestions, tell us. But anyway, so for this episode, we'll talk about Mask Girl. Kasi I obviously finished it.
So it's done.
It's done, Matsunaga. So, we did get to talk about this earlier. And by the time that we were talking, remember, I was like at episode 3.
Alam ko na yung pangalan.
Oh, ano?
Finish or not finish. Di ba kasi parang, hindi kasi, kunwari ikaw, na-finish mo. Ako, hindi ko siya na-finish. So, parang finish or not finish. So, that's what my teacher used to tell me all the time. Boys, finish or not finish, pass the papers. Di ba ganun yung sinasabi niya?
Tama.
So yun na lang tayo.
So, for our...
Finish or not finish! What?
Pero ako, mas stick yung accent ko ng Filipino. So, finish or not finish.
Diba?
Okay. So, for our first episode of finish or not finish, we are so immature.
We really are.
We are not just immature, we are so repressed. There's so much pent-up energy.
The Japanese would be proud.
Well, they will. They really will.
These guys are not so bad.
So, for our first penis or not penis, penis. Because I was able to finish it, okay?
Na-finish mo, ano?
Ay, yes. Oh, so, when I...
Ako na-finish.
Give it time. I'm working on it. Okay, so...
Not you.
Not me. I'm looking for a lot of shows na maraming guwapo. Tapos papapanoorin ko sa'yo until, I turn you.
The show we're going to be talking about today. I mean, outside of basketball. But okay. I'll get to that in a bit.
Oh, sige. So, after we did Mask Girl, our episode, yung in Tagalog, Hipon, that episode, I immediately finished it. Oh, easily finished it. My gosh, I would have to say it has got to be one of the best K-dramas I've seen. Yeah.
Wow.
You really have to try it. And we talked about it on the show, and a lot of people got intrigued. Even people who don't watch K-drama. The Squid Game crowd.
Right.
Like, marami na
they don't like the
Game.
Fluffy rom-com K-drama thing.
Never watched the K-drama in their life. They watched Squid Game. And then they super loved it. And then never watched K-drama again, right?
Yeah.
You know that, because they just loved Squid Game.
Right.
A lot of people told us afterwards that they watched Mask Girl just so that they got curious. And I kind of gave them a little update na don't stop at episode 1 or 2 because it is nothing like the rest of the series. And my gosh, like they were like, yeah, we couldn't stop. Like the moment the ball started rolling. Kasi nga, don't base it on the first. Kasi if you just base it on the first, you'd think it's just about bullying or it's just about, the internet, about how sleazy the internet is. It has, I wouldn't even call it the tip of the iceberg. It's more like the tip of the iceberg. Like, where it takes you is so surprising. Like that's a question that you keep asking yourself every episode.
Yeah.
Like, paano tayo napunta dito? Like, how are we here? Like, where are you taking me? That's the feel. Of course,
Okay.
I get into it because, like,
Without
let's
spoiling
say,
it. Yeah.
Sixth Sense. It's better that you don't know anything about it. I don't even want to super hype it because it's better nga na parang if the less you know about it, the less
The
you
more,
expect
the more
the better
effect.
it is.
Oh.
Actually, in my opinion, kasi ba I was telling you na parang pag nagka-time ka, can you just like try it again or at least continue maybe 2 more episodes?
Mhm.
Better pa nga that like in your experience where you kind of didn't like the first episode.
Right.
For
So
me,
that
that's
I can
even
get
better.
pleasantly surprised after.
More than me just like hyping it up and saying na, Gino boy, it's so good.
Yeah.
Tapos papanoorin mo and you're like, it's okay. Gets. So,
Right. Yeah.
but my gosh, like I'm just saying it's one of the smartest
Written
things that I've
shows.
seen. Like, alam mo yung, di ba, hello, I mean, we've talked about this before. Na, a lot of the K-dramas, we're just big fans kasi. Pero technically, parang medyo pa ulit-ulit na yung plot. You know, it's like, usually one is up there, very Notting Hill. One is either like a famous actress or K-pop
superstar,
star,
then there's a normal
or
person.
CEO, and
or,
then there's the secretary, and then the fan, and then the whatever. You know, it's the usual thing. My gosh, like, I promise you, this one is talagang like, if like an alien landed and said, what's Mask Girl all about? I'm like, I don't know. Kasi talagang it's so...
Wait, so till now, you still can't say what it's
no.
about?
I mean, I can. But gets, like, yung parang hindi mo siya mapeg.
Okay,
like, is it...
Parang
what
wala
is
siyang
it?
kapareho na show.
Wala siya kasing kapareho. I mean, actually, now that we talked about it, parang ang Squid Game na. But it's not because there's this mysterious game going on. More like the vibe.
It's a standalone kind of
thing. It's the feel na
right.
parang it gets under your skin. It's violent. It's like, basta. Like,
right.
Yeah. And
okay.
I reiterate, if ever you do get the feel for it, don't force. Pero if biglang you get the itch to try it again, please do. Kasi I'm it's a really, really
it's
good.
Just that now is a bad time because there's so much going on.
Then watch the others first. Go watch the others first.
The second season of Wheel of Time is finally out.
Yes.
I'm so excited to talk about which we are going to do an episode about.
We are going to do that.
Ahsoka is still running. While Ahsoka is running, I'm actually catching up on Rebels. I'm on season 2 already.
Ang bilis.
Yeah. No, because every time like I'm on a stationary bike or whatever, I'm watching Rebels. You know what I mean? Like it's my if I'm not doing anything, I'm going to watch it now. Because that way it also gives me time na parang while the next episode of Ahsoka is not out yet, I'll have something. And for Wheel of Time, currently as of this recording, it's on the 3rd episode of the 2nd season. So alam mo yung parang I have nice fillers.
Yeah,
and there are things that I'm looking forward to. So maybe somewhere in the middle of all of this, I'll watch Mask Girl.
Yeah, I mean, don't rush it, don't force it. Pero like, but basta don't forget it. Like, don't forget that it's on your list.
It's there.
Highly, highly recommended. Okay.
How many episodes?
7. 8.
Okay. It's not that long pala.
Or 7.
That's what she said.
Basta, super short. Kayang-kaya mo yan upuan.
That's really not what she said.
Okay. So, let's jump into our...
that's been established.
Yeah. So, let's now jump into...
the actual show we're talking about.
Yeah. So, the title is Kinky Hand Job.
It really is. It really is. Okay, we can openly talk about the first episode.
Just the first half.
Okay. So, it's called Destined with You. And like, at first, I thought it would be like... remember that Mark Ruffalo kind of thing? Where he was a ghost and then I think Jennifer Garner was it or something like basta one of those like rom-coms from like the 90s or the early 2000s.
I probably didn't watch because I'm not
so essentially parang Reese Witherspoon. So parang one of them was a ghost tas parang romance. Essentially parang ghost but less dark kasi ghost medyo tragic yung pagkamatay ni Patrick Swayze dun, diba? And whatever.
Yeah.
Here, it's supposedly like, well, at the first like 5 to 10 minutes of the show, it's about like parang there's like this spirit and whatever. Tapos parang, I really think that Koreans, maybe they really believe in like the Grim Reaper, or that's how they...
Yes, it's a very common theme.
It's a very common theme. So when this girl slips and gets into an accident, she thinks she's dead, and she's like, "Oh, the Grim Reaper is here." But it's true what they say. He's very good looking. Is he going to take me to a tea house? Para may ganon. Which is exactly what...
lahat ng Grim Reaper, even in the K-dramas that actually feature Grim Reapers, guwapo talaga.
Oh, feeling ko talaga
Grim Reaper na pangit.
Oh, feeling ko talaga that's how they... I don't know, maybe that's their like parang folklore na the Grim Reaper is in the same way na parang diba they say the devil's super good looking. Diba parang yun yung ano nila, diba? So maybe that's how they view the Grim Reaper. Essentially, that's what I thought that this would be. And then there's one time na yun nga parang itong si Grim Reaper, he's actually not a Grim Reaper, he's a lawyer who apparently has a curse. And this curse is like this hand that caresses him, that's full of blood.
Full of like blood-soaked hands.
So as in pang what's that Red Room thing? Jack Nicholson.
The Shining.
The Shining. Very The Shining yung dating. Alam mo yung that girl na covered in blood. Ganon.
Yes.
Tapos it's caressing his face. And at
as
first...
in literal alam mo hindi mo nakikita yung the rest of the body. Like si Rowoon is the lead. Hello. Like swoon. Okay, so si Rowoon, like nasa office siya, literal, biglang merong, alam mo yung dugo na kamay na gaganyan sa ano, na parang like...
Sa mukha niya.
At saka galing sa baba. Alam mo yung parang like, alam mo yung galing sa...
Namukhang, alam mo yung parang, I'm gonna be as blunt as possible. It's like, he's getting head and then the girl is trying to reach for his face. Alam mo yung
pero dugo-dugoan.
Pero dugo-dugoan.
Yeah. And medyo ganun yung dating ha.
And eventually kasi it is revealed later on that it's like some curse of a girl that he supposedly killed. And parang karma niya yun, di ba?
Pero parang, alam mo yung meron siya
may laswa? Ba't may laswa yung hawak? Hindi kasi yung parang papatayin kayo.
At saka mula nung yung unang lumabas siya, biglang sabi niya doon sa hand, parang, hindi ganito pero something like, not tonight, I'm tired. Medyo may ganun. Parang like,
exactly. That's why I'm so confused.
At kung hindi mo pinigil, ano yung mangyayari?
Parang, is that the first head that she's gonna stroke? You know what I mean? Like,
I know,
right? Many, diba? Parang, it's odd. But I gotta say, the guys in this show, like si Rowan, he looks like he could be the brother of, remember si guy from My Name? Si supposed boyfriend of Jisoo?
Yes.
They kind of look very similar. I gotta say, like the face structure, as in para siyang younger brother nitong supposed Jisoo boyfriend.
Hindi ba Hindi ba si ano rin to? Si Yumi Cells din to?
Yes.
The lead guy.
Yes, that's the same guy. In season 1 of Yumi Cells, that's the same guy.
That's the same guy.
So if I remember correctly, he's supposedly dating Jisoo of Blackpink. And then the guy naman in the office.
The guy in the office.
Remember
yung the crush?
Yung crush niya na tinakpan niya from the water splash.
Yes.
Looks naman like he could be si Descendants of the Sun, si Song.
Si Song.
Song, yeah.
Yes.
Look, I mean, rewatch it. And then alam mo parang yung cast nila parang mga kapatid ng mga napanood natin dati.
You know, I get it though. Si ano kasi for me, si
like for a while talaga, I was like, is this a cameo? Alam mo yung gano'n? Na parang...
Yeah. Sa akin, mas gwapo si Rowoon.
Oo naman.
Although, isa more of sex appeal yung isa yung jowa ni Jisoo.
Si Yumi Cells.
Tapos, for me naman,
mas traditional pretty boy itong si Rowoon.
Mas gwapo si Descendants, si Song.
Naman.
Pero mas lalaki
sex appeal to. Kasi
parang
mas
a little bit
wider
mas
yung jawline.
Medyo feminine yung pagkagwapo ni Song, di ba? So,
mas pretty boy si Song.
Yes.
This one naman, parang medyo, alam mo yung parang, kunwari, you were Song in like your teens, tapos ikaw pag 30 plus ka na. Yung medyo nag-widen na yung face
medyo
mo.
Medyo nag-hot daddy ka na.
Nag-hot daddy ka na. Wow. God. Damn.
When he realized what just came out of his mouth.
I know. I didn't hang out with the boys more. Wait lang.
to amp up a little bit of the testosterone.
Just to kick the testosterone back up, you know what I mean? Like,
kasi parang, alam mo yung natutulog ka, tapos bilang magpa-flashback siya, naging hot daddy na siya ngayon eh. Who would have thought that those words would come out of your mouth?
I'm so confused. Who am I?
Hindi, pero yun nga. Tapos ako naman, na-confuse ako because when I first came across this, syempre Rowoon, di ba? So, sa akin, parang, Matic, I'm going to watch this because it's Rowoon, you know, big fan. And
where else has he been in?
Okay, so he was in Happiness.
Okay.
Remember yung ano siya, Grim Reaper sila? Ito yung mga totoong Grim Reaper. Tapos, he was part of this trio, yung girl na parang girl boss, and then the parang Kenkoy guy. And then the other one was, remember the King's Affection? Yung girl siya.
Eunuch?
She pretended to be
a eunuch,
a boy. So king siya, pero actually girl siya. Actually sister siya nung totoong king na namatay na, but because they look like each other, she took his place.
Oh yeah, I think we watched this. Yeah.
So yun, The King's Affection. That was where I first saw Rowoon. Tapos after that, yung Happiness, which I also loved.
Yeah.
Actually, mas gusto ko yung Happiness. One of my favorites yun of all time.
Mahilig ka talaga sa Happiness, no?
Well, not so much hap. So anyway.
Wag na hap, pull na lang.
Pag hap, parang, ay?
Bitin?
Ay, just the tip. Okay, but you know, like, stop. Alam mo, ako naman, ang ano ko, so obviously I was going to watch it because Rowoon was there. Pero when I first encountered it on Netflix, yung parang ano niya, yung parang what do you call that? Yung
the picture,
the picture that comes out when you click on it. Di ba naka-ano sila? Naka-Joseon. Ano yun? Joseon ba? Joseon?
Naka-Joseon. Ano ba sila?
Oo, tinan mo. So I was like, akala ko, it was going to be one of those,
a period piece?
Time jump thing. Kasi isang picture, parang naka-suit siya. Tapos yung isang picture, naka-hanbok na sila. And
sa akin kasi naka-ano siya naka-suit.
So,
they're both in suits.
Both. Tinan mo. Either yung sa, when you're on the main Netflix parang feed, tapos pag kinlik mo siya, may isa pang picture, di ba, sa loob. Baka nandun. But anyway, makikita ko on mine, naka-hanbok. So I always thought that it was going to be parang, not so much period, pero yung, alam mo yung may time jump. Alam mo yung...
Baka nga meron.
Alam mo yung parang...
Because if you're thinking about it, like, it's called Destined with You. So,
no, I know. And with all the mga, you killed somebody na obviously, maybe it was in a past life.
Tapos meron mga heirloom.
Oo. So, ang ano ko is like, you know those typical stories na K-drama na ito siya, successful lawyer, tapos bilang nadapa siya, tapos nabagok yung ulo niya, tapos pagising niya, nasa Joseon period or Joseon period na siya. Yung ganon, tapos magja-jump tayo between past and present. Di ba? That's a very common theme in K-dramas. Pero nasa third episode na ako. Parang there's no sign. I mean, I'm sure magkakaroon at some point, pero I just thought it would be more 50-50.
More prevalent.
So, now, I have a feeling, parang ano lang siya, siguro just when explaining their connection, kasi given that the title is Destined with You, then I'm supposing they encountered each other during their past lives. I mean, that's my guess. So, wala pa at all. Okay. Like, everything is current, you know. So, yun lang. So I kind of had the different expectation.
But given the fact that you're already on the third episode, clearly you like the show.
I do, and it is Rowoon, but I have to say, hindi siya yung parang...
What, you're not 100% all in?
Hindi yung parang atat na atat. There's a little bit of fueled by loyalty to Rowoon factoring in here. Gets yung parang... Not like Mask Girl, I swear to you. Like, the moment I could not.
It's a Mask Girl kasi wala namang eye candy. Di ba? Parang
wala.
There's no eye candy in Mask Girl. Or meron?
Meron akong perfect carrot to dangle in front of you. By, let's just say, on that part of why you would want to watch a K-drama, Mask Girl is more for you than it is for me.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and that's the episode for today. It's time for us to close out. And then, but yeah, watch Destined by You. It's on Netflix. Check it out.
Mga episode 4 and...
Magigets ko pa rin ba siya kahit nag-skip ako to episode 4 na lang?
Alam mo, dadagukan kita. Huwag ka mag-skip. Pero yeah, so...
I've been feeling really lonely.
For me... ayun na yung red hand. Ayun na yung kinky red hand. Hindi kasi like for me, walang remarkable about it.
Okay, but even Destined by You.
Parang even their...
The connection, the chemistry.
The chemistry, parang medyo hindi naman ako
actually
nakikilig.
I was about to say at the end of the first episode, but there's that moment where it's kind of sweet what he did. Na parang, di ba, because girl was talking about how lonely she is, like she just wants to be accepted, she just wants to have like a meal with her office mates, even if she doesn't necessarily like her office mates or whatever. And then si Guy finds si girl crying. At the end of the episode, and he's like, I want you to come with me. Di ba usually yun yung parang, oh my God, kilig. Ito parang I saw it na, okay lang.
No, I mean, don't get me wrong, not bad. I'm not saying that I don't like it. Pero ano lang siya, more of...
It's just not...
More of standard, parang standard K-drama. I mean, I still find it interesting.
It's not outstanding.
Hindi siya yung parang like, oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like this. Hindi siya ganon.
Yeah. Hindi siya of the same level as like, let's just say, nung nagkabanggaan si PSG tsaka si Park Min Young. Alam mo yung parang pag nagkabanggaan sila, tapos parang meron silang look na, like, oh my God, you just bumped into me. Iba yung kilig nung mga ganong moments, or like when Song in Descendants of the Sun first like lay eyes on each other. Yung mga ganon na. But maybe this is just spaced slower also. I don't know. Maybe like later on. Who knows? If there's one thing you learned about K-dramas, it's never to judge it on its first
Yun nga. Yun. Ang ano ko lang talaga is, ang problem ko lang is, like you said, ang dami na nating nasimulan.
Yeah.
So like, I still want to continue King the Land. I still want to continue. Yun yung mga top of mind ko na parang I still want to continue. So I don't know lang if my loyalty for Rowoon would actually get me to. And like you said, ang dami pang nakapila. So... Yeah, so we'll see. But definitely worth a watch. You might want to check it out. At saka maganda sa kanya, kaka-start pa lang. So, hindi pa complete. So, you can actually, you don't have to binge.
You can wait. Yeah, you can wait. Have to binge kasi mahabol mo siya. Oh.
Or pa isa-isa, and you don't have to rush it because wala naman pang complete episodes.
True.
So, it's called Destined with You. And yeah, ako I like it naman. Ano lang, hindi lang siya yung parang, I know kasi that I really like a show, whether K-drama or not. Yung parang, I can't wait to get home.
To watch the next one. Yeah,
kasi I wanna catch the next episode, or I can't wait for the weekend para talagang, sunod-sunod and I don't have to worry about work. Yung ganon.
Right. I get it.
So there. But check it out. Destined with You.
All right, you can check it out. That's on Netflix. Of course, we want to thank our partners, Pod Network Entertainment. You can check us out on social media. It's at OnlyFun page, at Chico Garcia for him, at Gino.Killiamore for me. And we'll see you guys next episode. Bye.
Oh, what's this? Oh no, it's a hand.
Oh, what's this? It's a hand.
Alam mo, bad trip ka talaga. Panira ka talaga ng trip. Bye.
Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.